Forest River Wildwood Heritage Glen Lite 312 bud for sale in Grove City, Ohio 43123. Get ready for your next adventure with this 2017 Forest River Wildwood Heritage Glen Lite 312 bud. This luxurious fifth wheel is 39 feet from bumper to nose and features a charming floor plan that can comfortably accommodate up to 6 to 10 guests. It has been outfitted with 2 slide-outs with awnings and porch awning with LED lighting, as well as hydraulic stabilizers. This impressive RV has been very well maintained with minimal abuse, which has enabled its excellent condition. This 2017 Forest River Wildwood Heritage Glen Lite 312 bud is perfect for anyone who appreciates a quality residential living experience right on the campsite. With top-of-the-line amenities and luxury appointments throughout, you can easily make this spacious fifth wheel your next home away from home. It comes with exceptional options and features that offer the ideal combination of comfort and convenience. Highlights of these advantages include great cooking area complete with 3-burner stove with oven, microwave stainless steel appliances, double kitchen, SinkLarge refrigerator/FreezerU shaped DinetteFull, outdoor kitchen with grill, sink, and mini FridgeChocolate leather furniture, 2 TVs both with built-in DVD players, surround sound with indoor and outdoor audio control, large bathroom with ShowerMaster, queen size bed, full size master closet / DresserRear Bunkhouse12v inverter. You can run the refrigerators while hauling 50 amp wiring. This is nice as you ever decide to add a second AC unit wireless remote that controls the slides, awning, outdoor lights, and stabilizers, and much more. This 2017 Forest River Wildwood Heritage Glen Lite 312 bud is the ideal setup for anyone looking to make their traveling dreams come true. Perfect for anyone looking to create lasting memories with loved ones and friends. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to truly cherish your RV experiences. This fifth wheel is priced well below its true value, so call today for more information on how this incredible 2017 Forest River Wildwood Heritage Glen Lite 312 bud can be yours.